My name is Dan, and I'm 38 years old. I'm from Swansea, and up until recently, I was a lead manager in Tesco. And it's always been a lifelong dream of mine to get into the film industry. So I took the leap to pack in my old, very well-paid job to tackle this apprenticeship course with CRIW. And I couldn't be happier that I've taken the leap and I've done it. I think there are so many possibilities now in front of me, and I just can't wait to get started. I applied for the CRIW apprenticeship course to follow up on a lifelong dream of mine to get into the film industry. I studied media and film back in 2004 and was never able to break into the industry. So now at the old age of 38, when I thought it was kind of beyond me, it turns out it's not, and this course is going to be a great learning experience for me, and I can't wait to start it. What I would hope to get out of it, and the lifelong dream, has always been to get into either directing or producing. So that's the long-term goal. But for the immediate future, I just want to get into the industry and see and meet as many people as I can, and see what different roles there are out there that potentially I've never heard of, that might actually take my fancy more. And just to learn the skills, just to learn the skills, hone them, and become that guy that people want on their production, because they know that you're going to be a safe pair of hands, that you are going to, they don't need to worry about that role. It's going to be done.